There is something that's more important than stopping the sale. I have folks call me, they're running around crazy trying to stop the sale. And stopping the sale is not the most important thing that you must consider when you're structuring your unconventional foreclosure defense game plan. And the most important thing that you guys have to consider is having a strategy in the non-judicial foreclosure, having a strategy to block the eviction process. And here's why. The sale can take place and you can still jam the sale up by filing your title dispute, because nothing's going forward with a title dispute. And then you can take your title dispute with all of the state court crap attached to it as an exhibit, and you can take that title dispute and you can attach it to your less pendants, and you can place that on the public record next to the property deed. So all of those investors that are wanting to get their claws in your property can see that it ain't over. And fact of the matter is, it's just starting. And that's how you do that. You must have a strategy to block the eviction process. And that strategy to block the eviction process is having your title dispute filed in federal court. And here's why. The eviction court can only make a determination on immediate possession. They cannot make a determination on title dispute. So federal court's a higher court. So you file your title dispute in higher court, and then in the package is motion to remove the immediate possession issue and connect it with your title dispute. And when you remove the immediate possession issue, you want to attach your challenge to a jurisdictional challenge, your lawsuit against the state court judge, your motion that you recuse the state court judge, or all of that stuff you want to attach as an exhibit to your motion to remove the case and connect the immediate possession issue with your title dispute. Now, what you're going to tell them is, my legal team said that this is what we need to do because the immediate possession issue cannot be determined until the title dispute's been settled. And when the title dispute's settled in federal court, the federal judge will have judicial authority to make the determination on the immediate possession issue, and they're not state court. Bam. That's how you do it. When you block the sale and you don't have a game plan to stop the eviction process, what's going to happen is, but you don't do the stuff you need to do to block the eviction process or have in place what you need to stop that, then what they're going to do, they're just going to ignore you, continue with the eviction process, and kick you off the property. And they know that you have less chance to stick fire up in their face when your belongings are thrown out on the curb in the ring. So, and I'm going to keep it real with you, because the new strategy is going to be going after the judge at the gate, because we already know the judge is going to help them. So we need to learn how to attack the judge at the gate. And that package that I have on the website, I think it's called the Eviction Stopper, was designed to help people face an eviction, or actually, if you understand my program or anything about what we're doing, you can use that package for dang near anything, because you can use that package as a lawsuit, and that package is special, and it can be used against an attorney. It can be used against a corporation, against the city. It don't matter. You can use it against whoever is trying to get up in your face. And that's the beauty of it. And it's cheap right now, because I wanted to put something together that could help people that's facing eviction. But most of the people that call me that were facing eviction were so stressed out and I just couldn't help them. So I didn't know. I need to help the people that actually go to the website and look at the stuff and figure it out, because not everybody can. Some people are so freaked out and they're so, worried, and rightly so. I mean, I didn't go through the eviction process. You cannot let your emotions run the program. Otherwise, you're going to be in trouble in the end, because you will miss things and you will not have yourself in position that you need to be in when the program is over, or when it gets to a certain point where you need to be the one in charge. You won't be the one in charge, and they're gonna be stomping in your face, and you won't be on my team because nobody on my team gets. So that's all the value that I have for you guys tonight. I want to thank you guys for the privilege of sharing your time.